What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has confirmed the rumors that were circulating online that he was going to be removed from his position as a member of parliament. The rumors actually began before the EFF National People's Assembly conference, where it was being said Mbuyiseni is going to be removed or is going to be recalled as an MP after the NPA. Then another prediction came in and said he was going to be removed before the SONA. So the one after the NPA has actually failed to materialize. But Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has gone on to confirm that he's going to leave the parliament. If you look at his Twitter profile, he had actually written that he is an EFF commissar and member of parliament. This was long before the NPA, but right now he has updated his Twitter page and said that economic freedom in our lifetime. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi here is confirming that he is no longer the EFF commissar nor the member of parliament, and also Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is no longer in the EFF CCT. So going forward, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is now just going to be an ordinary member of the EFF, and we hope he is going to get some of his positions back. And another thing that confirms that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is going to leave the parliament is what Julius Malema said when he was being interviewed on an EFF podcast, where he said some of your favorites went to parliament to inquire about their pensions. And somehow this information got to Julius Malema, who got to know that this person who inquired about this information is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Mbuyiseni had gone to parliament to inquire about his pension because he knew that he was going to be removed as an MP. So this is most likely like the end of the road for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi at the EFF.